We are Team
50831,
the Rockets!
This presentation will be about our innovation project. The innovation project is what we came up with to solve the problem of people not being active. Our idea is an app that locks your phone until you reach a certain amount of steps. We chose this innovation project because many people have a problem getting off their phones and getting active.
Some details about the app we thought of, or some benefits of how the app can help you get off your phone and get more active, are there's a GPS and a speed tracker. What are the GPS and speed tracker for, you might ask? Well, the GPS is so you can't just sit on the couch and shake your phone until it reaches the set amount of steps. The speed tracker is so that if you exceed 20 miles per hour, it will stop counting your steps. So you can't just get in a car and drive down the highway while shaking your phone to simulate running or walking. You can set your own minimum amount of steps. Over time, the app will raise the minimum amount of steps to the original minimum amount of steps you have set.
Like she said a minute ago, there are a lot of benefits to getting this app so that you can get more active and may help you be more happy. Also, this app could change your health, your body image, and even your thoughts about yourself.
After all of these details and benefits can help you become more active, more in shape, and like your body image of yourself a lot more than before. Lastly, we've worked on this project and all the requirements to this program. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to tell you about